Good morning, I am Shrif, your math teacher. Today we will take a new lesson which is called approximation. Approximation means to express the number to the nearest given place. First of all, we will take how to approximate to the nearest hundredth. To approximate to the nearest hundred, that means the results have only two decimal places. The question said the nearest approximate to the nearest hundredth or to the nearest 0.01 or to the nearest 1 over 100. Let's see an example. Approximate here this number to the nearest hundredth. First of all, we have to underline the hundredth, then look to the number after the hundredth here. The number here is 2. 2 is a weak number, a weak digit, so weak do nothing. So 3 in the hundredth will be as it is. The answer will be 7.53. Next, here another example, 24.3281. The hundredth digit here is 2. We will underline it. Then we look to the thousandth digit. The thousandth digit here is 8. 8 is a strong number. Strong number, give the hundred 1. Then the answer will be 24.33. Next, let's see some examples about this lesson. Examples. Approximate as required. The first one, 39.161. Approximate to the nearest hundredth. Where is the hundredth here? The hundredth here is 6. We will look to the thousandth digit. It will be 1. 1 is a weak number, so 6 will be as it is. The answer will be 39.16. Next, approximate to the nearest hundredth also. Let's see the number 11.145. The hundred digits here is 4. Then we look to the thousandth digit is 5. 5 is strong, so we will add 1 to the 4 to become 11.15. The next, to the nearest thousandth. Okay, where is the thousandth here? The thousandth here is 1. And we looked at the number after the 1 is 5. 5 is strong, so it will give 1, to give 1, 1. So the answer will be 0.792. Next, approximate to the nearest thousandth also. Next, 0.2152. Where is the thousandth here? The thousandth is 5. And the number after the 5 here is 1. 1 is a weak. Weak do nothing. It will be 5 as it is. So the answer will be 0.215. Here, approximate to the nearest hundredth. Where is the hundredth? 4 is the hundredth. After 4, we have 5 here. 5 is strong. So it will give the 4 1. So the answer will be 3.15, 3.15. Let's read this question. The capacity of a water bottle is 2.351 liter. Approximate it to the nearest hundredth. Where is the hundredth here? The hundredth here is 5. The number after the 5 here is 1. 1 is a weak. Weak do nothing. So the answer will be 2.35. Now another question. He approximated the number 813.215 after approximation became 813.22. Okay, he wants to know this number approximated to the nearest what? We look to the different digit. Let's see, here we have 8, 8, 1, 1, 3, 3, point, 2, 2, 1 became 2. That means the different digit was approximated to it. Now, this approximation to the nearest hundredth. Next, okay, also we look to the different digit. Here the digit 2, 2, 3 became 4. Okay, now what's the different digit? The different digit in hundreds here. So we approximate to the nearest hundred. Next, 822.3 became 822 or 822. This number approximated to the nearest what? Let's look this. 8 became 8. 2, 2, 2, 2. But here we have 0.3, and here we haven't. We stop in the units. So look at the tenth here. The tenth is weak. Because of this, 2 never change. It will be 2 as it is. That means we do approximate to the nearest units. Now let's read this example. Write the smallest decimal fraction that includes the digits 3, 4, 9, 8. He said decimal fraction. It means I will write decimal number. I will put 0 at the whole number, then I will arrange this number after the decimal point ascendingly. That means from the smallest to the greatest, because he wants the smallest decimal fraction. It means the answer will be 0.3489. Now I want to approximate this number into the nearest hundreds. What is in the hundreds here? In the hundreds we have 4. After 4 we have 8. 8 is a strong number, so the 4 will be 5. Now the answer will be 0.35. Then approximate this number into the nearest thousandth. The thousandth here is 8. After 8 we have 9. 9 is the strong number. Now 8 will be 9. The answer will be 0.349. Thank you. Stay safe.